Hey, you want to know why glue pulling won't work to take out the dent on this hood of this vehicle? Well, let's take a closer look and I'll show you why pushing the dent out is the better option. All right, let's take a look at what the first reason is. Now you can just barely see this, but we're going to take a look right at this edge here. And right along this edge, basically this has the 3M clear bra film on here, and something like this would be damaged with glue pulling. Now if we took our glue pulling tabs and stuck it on here, you know, if you tried to do this and you pulled on it, you would pull this clear film right off, and now you've got a big hole in it or a rip in it or a tear, or it's damaged and won't stick back down, and then you have to replace it for several $100s. So you don't want to attempt glue pulling whenever you have a clear bra or a film on your car. Now these are pretty common on a hood panel, and a lot of times they are on the edges of the fenders, but sometimes you'll find them on mirrors, bumpers, and even sometimes side panels. So you want to avoid that. Now the other reason glue pulling won't always work, and for instance with this hood is aluminum. We've got a magnet here and magnetic business card, and magnets will stick to steel. They don't stick to aluminum, so not even sticking at all. So we can use glue pulling to pull out dents in aluminum, but usually the best preferred method is to get behind it and push the dents out. All right, so take a look under the hood here. I've got the hood pad removed. It just had several little clips in it here to take that down. Took that down already. I've got a hood prop in here and a strap to hold the hood nice and steady. So now it's not going to move on me when I'm pushing on it. It's not going to open up. So it's a good thing. Now this particular dent is right underneath this brace up here. Let's see if we can get up under here and have you take a better look. So it's a little bit under this brace, so I have to get a skinny whale tail tool that'll slide right in between here. There's just a little bit of room. It'll fit up in there, and that'll get me access right to the dent. Now here's the whale tail tool that I'm going to be using. Nice and flat top. It's got sharp points on it right on the edges there, and that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to slide right up inside there and just lightly twist it just a little bit, and those will make the push marks. So give it a watch here. You'll see me slowly remove this dent just a little bit at a time, get it out. Perfect, excellent results. right, so I'm all finished up with that little ding. You can see just right in this area here somewhere. Just took a little bit of light rubbing compound to buff out any little scuff marks from the damage from the phone falling on it. All right, we've got another excellent results for our customer here on the dent on the hood of this Acura. Brand new vehicle, first dent in the car, wanted to definitely get rid of it. So if you are interested in more paintless dent repair videos, definitely check out my channel. If you want to see some videos where glue pulling does work, check out this playlist that I have. Got full of videos where I used glue pulling to either start a dent to take it out or completely use glue pulling to remove the dent completely. So it is definitely possible in some instances, but obviously on this vehicle it wasn't, so we pulled it out, got it looking good. If you are in the Blaine, Minnesota area and you need paintless dent repair for your vehicle, give me a call. Phone number is 763-780-4000, or just visit my website at exceldentremoval.com. We can get you a quick quote there by sending us a picture or some details on the damage that you have. Otherwise, bring your vehicle in, we'll take a look at it, get you excellent results for the damage to your car. Thanks for watching, and check out some of those other videos.